Beautyistic fam. Today we're diving into a product that might just be the unsung hero in your daily dental care routine. Polident Overnight Whitening Antibacterial Dental Appliance Cleanser Tablets. Whether you wear retainers, aligners, or full dentures, this one's got your back. Now let's talk about the essentials. This product comes in two 90-count boxes, so you're definitely stocked up for the long haul. The tablets are designed to tackle your dental appliances, whether that's dentures, retainers, or even mouthguards, with ease. The formula has recently been upgraded to include more active power bubbles, which clean those hard-to-reach places and give your dental items a deeper clean. I've been using this product for the past couple of weeks, and I have to admit, I was skeptical at first. I'm not someone who's overly invested in denture or retainer care products, but I do wear aligners, so I thought, why not? What I noticed right off the bat is how incredibly easy it is to use. All you need to do is pop one of these tablets into a glass of warm water, drop your appliance in, and let it fizz away. After about 15 minutes, you're left with a deep clean, no brushing required. And I don't know if it's just me, but I noticed that my aligners felt fresher and a lot cleaner compared to my usual cleaning routine. The real test was how it felt after I let my aligners dry, smooth, odor-free, and without that grimy feeling I sometimes get when I don't give them a proper clean. The product claims to kill 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria, and honestly, I didn't have any bad odors lingering after use. I was impressed by that. Now, on to the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. Pros: it really does kill bacteria. I was impressed by the fresh feeling it left behind after cleaning. The active power bubbles are tough on stains but gentle on your appliance, so you're not risking any damage. Easy to use. No brushing or scrubbing, just a soak and rinse. It's a good value for two 90-count boxes, which will last you quite a while. On the flip side, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. Cons: if you prefer a more involved cleaning process, like a scrub down, this might feel a little too passive for you. The formula is more targeted toward dentures and retainers, so if you're only looking for something for mouthguards, you might not get the best results. When it comes to value for money, this is pretty solid. You're paying for convenience, and with two boxes in the pack, you're getting quite a lot of product for the price. Given the effectiveness of the cleaner, I'd say it's definitely worth it for anyone who wears dental appliances regularly. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still effective, there are other retainer and denture cleaners on the market. However, this one stands out because of its ease of use and the antibacterial benefits that are hard to beat. Overall, Polident Overnight Whitening Antibacterial Dental Appliance Cleanser Tablets are an effective and convenient choice for anyone who needs to clean dental appliances. Whether you're wearing full dentures, retainers, or even mouthguards, this product does what it says on the box, cleaning and freshening without the hassle. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.